What's up my Shuggies, Ashley here, and in today's video it is going to be a vlog all about home decor. I'm going to take you with me to Homegoods and then show you the pieces I got and how I styled them in my home. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. They had a really good selection of mirrors and artwork in general. I love this one that I'm going to show you. It is nice and wood as I come back to it and round. I love that it has a nice big wood frame and it's a nice natural color. I also love all the mirrors that they have. As you can see, I'm going to dig this one out. It is wood and it's Restoration Hardware. Complete knockoff, and I love it, but it's not tall enough. Otherwise, I would totally get it and drag it home, and it's only $150. Here's a couple more that are like the floating style with the metal on the sides, and they had a couple different colors. Some nice bar stool chairs that I love with a modern touch, and the pillows galore. Tons of neutral colored pillows, textured pillows, and these in particular that I love and I ended up bringing home with me because I love the neutral gray color. They had some nice bright summer blues and of course amazing furniture. Back to the pillows, tons of gray velvet texture, white feather, you name it. The pillows were out of control and I was loving every minute of it. As you can see, my cart is getting quite full at this point. More neutral colored pillows, and then finally the lamps. They had a really nice selection of lamps. I personally didn't need any, but I just wanted to kind of take a peek and see what they had. I loved some of the wood ones that they had straight in the back. And as you can see here, this really nice tall one that was a wood texture with a gray shade. And these are the wood ones in the back. I just love all of the different colors and textures, and the wicker texture I think was really nice for a different unique touch to any room. And then these are just some more amazing decor accessories, anything from trays to metal objects. I love the metal leaves, clocks, anything to put on trays, coffee tables, any of that stuff. I loved that they had a ton to choose from, especially all different textures and colors. And then this was Versace vibes, but it was actually just an Italian plate. Okay, so I just wanted to go over some of the finds I got. This super cute marble silver leaf. I love this. I don't know if I can find a place for it, but let's hope I can. These adorable kitchen towels with my name on it. I mean, could that be any cuter? There's two of them in there, and they were only $6.99. So I think I'm gonna hang it over there. Okay, I also got this super cute rug. I think I'm gonna use this in the other bathroom just because I wanted something with a little bit of gray in it, but this nice soft feel to it. And then I also got a adjustable spice rack. This, I freaking have been looking forever for this. I actually ordered one from Amazon forever ago and it got canceled. I did find some plantain chips. My husband's obsessed with these and I saw a cute little small 6-pack, so I got those for him. And then I also found these super cute pillow. I'm a pillow hoarder. Pillow freaking hoarder. So I got two of these. I love the shape. I love everything about them. They have this kind of like thick black and white textured print, and then the back, more texture with the velvet. I mean, seriously, who could not love those? So I'm gonna try these on the couch and see what these look like. Then I also found this super cute box, which, you know, who doesn't love a good box for a shelf, for a table, I don't know what, but I love it. It's got black accents in this kind of like paper, thick tweed finish with a little bit of gold. And I love the shape too. It's very unique. Then I also got these pillows. I know I don't need them, but I seriously love them. And the freaking goose down kills me. I also love that they have tassels and just a nice texture to them. I mean, you could seriously use these anywhere. And they were $19.99. So I got 2 of those as well. This is the other black pillow. By the way, those were $16 as well. I mean, you seriously freaking can't beat that. $16 for pillow. These are my freaking favorite if I ever get a table. They are black metal chargers. How freaking cute are these? I cannot wait. I'm gonna show you what that'll look like with my plates, and these were $9 or $10. So these are my plates, and then let's just say, kicks and giggles, I have the matching bowls to this, or if you really want to be fun, you can mix it up with my other black and white dishes from at home. So seriously, how freaking cute. I just love this. They're matte. They've got these thick beads. They remind me of my wedding. These look just like my wedding chargers, except mine were silver. And I love them with the white, black and white. Oh, I love it. Now, this is what we're working with as far as my dining room. I got this tree from World Market and I freaking love it. And I just threw it in this basket. I don't know what I'm gonna do to fill the top of that. Maybe some moss, but this, oh, stay tuned for how I put this together. Look how it freaking turned out. And it is massive. I mean, this is my hand. Look how big the bowl is. It is seriously like almost 2 feet by 2 feet. And it's from West Elm. My husband got it for me for my birthday and I love the way this turned out. Also, moss is from Homegoods. 4 of those chargers. Moving on. This cute little, I guess it's like avocado inspired. I don't know, something inspired. I found it in the kitchen section, but I feel like it might be cute in a bathroom on one of the shelves. So I got that. And then I got this bad boy for my office. I just love it for putting files and keeping things organized. It's just super chic and simple, and it was only like 16 bucks. You know, I love a good llama. And seriously, how cute is this? And I have some extra moss from that project, so I thought I could put it in here and then put it on my shelf for my office revamp that's happening as we speak. So we'll see how he works out. But how cute is he? And that sums up this amazing little Homegoods haul. How happy are we? All right, you guys, I just want to jump on here and show you how I ended up styling the things that I got. And here we have the adorable Ashley's kitchen towels, and I styled it by putting this other little decorative towel I got from the dollar section in Target on top of it, just to give it a little something extra. So it just sits, as you can see there, on the top of my stove handle, and I think it looks so cute. And I also, since there was 2, put the other one right here, just for looks. And of course, everyone knows whose kitchen it is. And over here we have our imaginary table. So as you can see, I just kind of set out the chargers so you could see what they look like. I absolutely love them. I've never in my life owned chargers, so I think they're gonna be perfect and super cute. I have to hang this picture back up there and fix the curtains, but this is also the tree that I am in love with. Although it is not from HomeGoods, I absolutely love it. The basket is from HomeGoods, however, but the tree is from World Market, and I got it for a steal. I think it was around $160, and it is over 6 feet tall. So you can see compared to the window how tall that tree really is. So if you're in the market for a tree, a fiddle leaf one to be exact, then World Market's your place. Okay, moving on to the couch. I got these amazing pillows with these beautiful tassels and tons of texture. And I put one in this corner, and I'm still waiting on IKEA to put the other one right here, which is a darker gray. And then I have the other one on this side. And again, we're waiting for one more to put in the front or the back, depending, from, again, IKEA. So these, the way that I styled them, I give them a good karate chop. I love these little guys because they just give some nice dimension with the darker gray. And I like to give them a good karate chop on the side. I feel like that gives it a nice balance and just kind of keeps them puffy and looking beautiful. So this is what everything looks like all put together. And then moving on to the coffee table, I ended up getting that tray that we saw in the clip, and I just put this beautiful little silver leaf, which is very similar to the one that I had found that looked more like a fern leaf. And then I just threw this little box on here. I'm always looking for boxes, so I can't wait till they get more of those so I can have more options to stack, because I love to stack boxes. And then I just have this little plant in this little black box, so it gives it a nice contrast of the grays and blacks together, and I love the way that it turned out. And then over here, this little leaf, it's like a black metal leaf. I put this on my buffet, and this is kind of in my entryway. And then I'm still messing with the plant. I need to take the tags off and cut the stems, but this is how this is turning out, and I am loving the pop of color that the green leaves give it. Just before, I had a bunch of stuff that I actually ended up moving to the new shelves from IKEA, so I had to completely redecorate this, and I love the way that it turned out. This buffet does have a little hint of, it's not bright gold, it's a very, very faded gold, kind of like the lamp. So I just wanted to kind of bring all that together by putting this nice, I guess, faded metal gold bowl and just kind of tying all of that in together. So I love the way that that turned out. I was thinking about putting some moss on the inside of this, but I figured with the green it was enough, and I'm just gonna leave it as is in all of its beautiful glory. Moving on to, last but certainly not least, the office. This is obviously going to be moved upstairs, but just for the time being, I'm trying to kind of put the table and at least the shelves together and get it kind of cohesive before I move it upstairs. So I got these cute little, they're like wicker, I don't know what they are, just little accents. And I think they're so cute. They're on these huge marble beige stands. And these are metal, and they were super inexpensive, around 25 bucks. And I thought that that tied in really well with that black piece that I got to store all of my files in. And then it kind of goes again cohesively with everything that I have that I'm starting to stack on these shelves. Of course, this will all be interchanged, but just for the time being, I'm kind of getting the textures and colors that I want, the blacks and a little bit of the wickers and just the warmer tones for the office. But this is a good start to the renovation. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please don't forget to comment down below on any other videos you guys want to see. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified anytime I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one.